What Travis is, Michaela? You have to say it loud. What Travis is? You have to say it loud.
Panty washer.
What Bertram is?
He's a panty washer and bite.
Bertram is that boy George, Michaela?
Yes. He's a panty washer. He's a panty washer.
Okay. What is your grandma name? What is your grandma name? What is she name?
I'm a sleep big Dodger.
She name is Big Adros.
I'm a sleep big Dodger.
Okay. What is your next grandma name?
I'm a sleep big Dodger.
What is your next grandma name?
I'm a sleep big Dodger.
Okay, Big Adros home. What is your next grandma name? Louise?
No. Louise. Check. She going in bed.
Where Louise is?
She's a panty washer.
Where Louise? She in Trinidad?
No. I also Trinidad.
Louise not in Trinidad?
Mama.
Yeah?
You are sleeping.
Oh, okay. Alright then. Thanks for telling me about your family. Where your father is?
Daddy.
Where your father is?
The panty washer.
Your father is a what?
He's panty washer.
Your father is a panty washer.
Yeah.
Say ABCs, Michaela.
E, B, C, D, E, F, G.
You like to talk shipping, so you can't say ABC.
Ow! I'm eye.
Your eye? Oh. What about Ariel? What about Ariel?
I don't think
Huh?
Then he's good one and I really he come with your shoes. Oh my
What about Sherma? What about Sherma?
Sure, my gosh, what's she?
No, you can't see Sherma. Tell me about Sherma. What Sherma is?
How much him?
What Sherma is?
I don't know.
You don't know? Just now go see. Your daddy ugly? Huh?
Ow!
Don't take off the wig. You can't take off the wig. You ready to go to school?
That's a monster.
No, that's not a monster. That's mommy wig to go to work.
It's on my head.
Put on mommy wig.
I keep it on my door.
What about Jada?
Jada.
Who's Jada?
Jada.
Yeah, who's Jada?
Jada, the water need coming in the road.
Jada coming down the road.
Yeah.
You ever see Jada?
No.
Who's Jada to you?
He's my friend.
She's not your friend. She's your cousin.
No.
Yes.
He's my friend.
Jada is your cousin. She's not your friend.
Jada is my cousin.
Yes, Jada is your cousin.
They're my cousin. That's my boy. That's my boy and cousin.
Like Kevin's daughter.
That's Kevin. That's Bobby Kevin.
What about Curla?
Cola singing.
What about Curla?
She shake me in the house. But you can't see 10 by cola. You can't see by cola. How about Tamia?
What about Tamia?
Tamia says she doesn't. Tamia jumping on my bed with my shoes.
What about Nico?
Nicole jumping on my shoes. She bed, my bed.
Oh. What about Rashawn?
Nicolette beating my son. Beating my son up. Beating my son up.
Who's Rashawn?
He done. He running.
What about Daniel? Who's Daniel?
Daniel, she dancing and she told me music up.
Daniel turned off the music when he was dancing.